What's up, Vetters? Patrick here with Vetted. It seems like there is another metal sphere flying around in Colombia, and I've got a brand new video to show you that is going absolutely bonkers viral right now, and I think you'll see why. Now, I've got all the details, at least what's available about the video being shot, so what we're going to do first is get some of the details of the video, then watch the video, and then we're going to watch it together. Please hit that like button. That really helps out the videos. And, of course, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, y'all. Put out new videos every week about the UFO phenomena. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Let's make that happen. All right, let's jump into this. So here are the details of the video. It's a metallic sphere observed in the Colombian countryside, May 25th, 2025, near San Vicente del Cajun, Colombia, 2:17 local time. Now, down below, it does say a different date, May 26th, so not really sure here, but it's a rural area. And the description states, from the witness, while hiking through a rural trail with wide visibility across farmland and forested hills, we noticed a highly reflective metallic sphere silently hovering in the sky at a distance. Initially thought it might be a drone or weather balloon, but the object moved smoothly, slowly, and rapidly at times, with no visible means of propulsion, no wings, and no sound. It seemed to reflect sunlight strongly, as if it had a mirror-like surface, and appeared perfectly spherical with no seams or appendages visible. The size is hard to estimate precisely, but compared to nearby treetops and based on distance, I'd guess it was roughly 1 to 2 meters in diameter and hovered at around 300 to 500 meters altitude. Now, I will say this. There was another sphere, the Buga sphere, that is being looked at. There's similar videos floating around before, and I've covered those in videos. I'll put links in the description if you want to go check those out. So this, if you're thinking it's that, it's not, if you know about that case. This is a new one. Brand new sphere floating around, again, in Colombia. So what do you say? Let's get to the video and watch it. Now, let me state, there is no sound to this video, so I'm adding some music, but there is no sound. So they're saying the object made no sound, but they included no sound in the video. And it's clearly kind of edited together. Look, we'll watch together and kind of go over these things. So let's take a look at this video. And as a bonus, there's a second video. So stay with us. All right. So here's video number 1. All right, so let's watch video number 2. Again, no sound. That's it. That was video number 2. Literally a split second. So not really too sure what that means. But anyway, all right, now let's take a look at the video together and kind of pick this thing apart. All right, so I've got the video queued up. Let's watch it together and see if we notice anything. Let's vet this thing. All right, so again, remember, no sound. All right, so we're in the countryside here. This looks like Jurassic Park. I don't know what's going on. You can start to see the sphere there. It's floating up. It's like he was just waiting there with the camera for that thing to come up, right? It's a little weird. Let's go back to the beginning. Right here, he's kind of like, it's not even floating up. Just kind of waiting for it. Oh, was it there the whole time? Is it by that tree? Okay, it is right here. So he does see it. Okay, so it comes down. It's floating up, down. Goes up. It's floating. Why is there no sound? Why not include sound? They said it made no sound, but they didn't include it. I mean, it looks crazy. Looks like a metal sphere for sure. Zooming in on it. And then it just cuts. Such weird cuts here. It's just floating there. I mean, why not go up to this thing? I mean, are we supposed to assume that this is like an alien sphere flying around? Nothing about this says anything crazy to me. The video is nice and clear, though, during the day. I will say that. It's moving like it is controlled, for sure. I mean, it's definitely making weird movements. It's not like a balloon caught in the wind. Could they put a drone inside of a sphere like that and fly it around? Is that possible? Why not include the sound? I mean, it's definitely unusual, I admit. But nothing screams E.T. And then this little clip. Like, why? What's that for? What's this video do? That's like a split second. I just don't even know what the hell that is for. Look, we had the Boogosphere that came out. They're doing all these tests on it, saying it's these things, and that's a whole nother can of worms. And now you got this one. Clearly, there's some sort of movement to push out metal spheres coming out of Colombia. Are these really alien craft flying around the jungles of Colombia? I don't know. I find that kind of hard to believe myself, personally. But again, at the end of the day, you never know. What do you think in the comments? Let me know. Have you seen something like this? Do you know of something similar? What is it doing in the video that makes you think it's extraterrestrial? Does that make sense? Is it doing anything in the video that makes you think it's alien? Right? Or is it just something floating around? Right? I don't know. Interesting. So anyway, look, I'll put links in the description. Go check it out for yourself. All right, some quick channel announcements before we go. I just want to say, if you want to sign up for Patreon, feel free. Support the channel. That really helps out a lot. It's a really nice, affordable monthly expense, and it would really help vet it out a lot. So I'll put a link down below if you want to join. You basically get access to all the videos ad-free and sometimes early as well. I put all the videos on there. I'm honestly, you can chat on there too. So if you leave comments, I'm more definitely will respond on there as opposed to YouTube. So feel free to sign up for our Patreon. All right, vetters, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.